On top inside Edo today, Edo state government don put ogbonge plans for ground unto how dem wan take develop Edo state. Edo state executive council don complete ogbonge workshop wey dem do on top Edo state development roadmap and work plan with top government officials, and dem do dis workshop so dat dem go fit chook eye put inside wetin don dey shele for Edo state since 2 years and 7 months wen Godwin Obaseki take become governor. Na Abuja dem do dis workshop, and na big Fast Result Institute of Malaysia chairman Idris Jala na facilitate am with Governor Godwin Obaseki wey be convener. The workshop na 2 days on and e start on Saturday, July 13, come reach Sunday, July 14. Special adviser to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osage, talk say dem do dis workshop so dat the team go fit rearrange their vision. Crusoe Osage talk say the focus for dis workshop na to improve socio-economic life of Edo State, especially on top agriculture, industrial sector, security, tourism, education and healthcare. He talk say plans don dey ground to make sure say the management team go sabi how to make Edo ogbonge state wey go dey throway opportunity and good life dey give people. Osage talk say dis workshop go make the team dey focus on top how to get result fast and say Governor Godwin Obaseki administration go be 3 years for November, and dem wan make the team dey work fast so dat dem go fit achieve results for different areas. And so we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo state government don put ogbonge plans for ground unto how dem wan take develop Edo state. Top government functionaries wey waka go dis workshop na Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Head of Service of Edo State, Isaac Eyozua, Chief of Staff to Edo State Governor, Chief Taiwo Akerele, and other people, and other ogbonge government officials. The facilitator of dis workshop, Mr. Jala, come talk say belle sweet am well on top how dis management team take dey work and the personnel wey dey work with dem. The facilitator of dis ogbonge workshop, Idris Jala, come talk say belle sweet am on top the ogbonge people wey dey work for inside dis management team. Im come talk say im get ogbonge confidence on top the experience of dis team to take deliver good governance for Edo State. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge update na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like, and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.